Bonjour, you guys. It's Florence. We just arrived in Paris and we are so happy to be here. We got here probably about 2 hours ago, and I wanted to give you guys a little tour of the apartment we are staying in because it's super cool and I want to remember it when I leave. So the first thing you see when you walk in is the door. There's a list of instructions from the lady who rented it out to us. Then over here is a coat hanger with some umbrellas that they provided us because it does get pretty rainy here a lot. Then there's a phone. Don't know why that's there. And then over here is a closet. I think this is a closet or armoire. And then there's a window. Our view, there's not much of one. It's just a courtyard with they're doing construction, so there might be some like drilling noises, and if there are, I'm sorry about that. Then this is basically just like a seating area here. There's a couple of chairs. There's a picture on the wall, heater, this little side table, and a mirror. Hey. And then over here, this is the toilet. Fun fact, if you didn't know this, in most European countries, the toilet is in a separate room from the rest of the bathroom. But there's a sink there, which is kind of cool because when I lived in Poland, they didn't have a sink with the toilet. And then in here, this is a utility closet. I don't know the functionality of that at all. And then through here is a kitchen. Everything here is so tiny because unlike America, this country's motto is not go big or go home. So we're gonna it's gonna take some getting used to, but we will do it eventually. I love this tiled floor. I always wanted a kitchen with a tiled floor like this. So here's a bit of an overview. There's another mirror. Hi again. There's the sink, another window, some artwork, a cookbook, some stuff, dishwasher, drawers, an oven, a microwave, and some glasses. I can drink wine here because rules are different. Not that I would though, I don't drink. I don't drink, period. I'm not even gonna drink when I turn 21. And then here's another closet with some stuff that they provided us. There's some really, really pretty pottery and dishes and tea. I can't wait to try that. I can't wait to try French tea because I love tea. And here's a bulletin board. I haven't looked at a lot of this stuff yet. This is oh geez, this is really crazy. This is a map of the Parisian metro system, I believe. I could be wrong, but there's that. And then there's a little table. This is not the main table, certainly. This is a carry-on bag my grandma brought, a Starbucks bag. And then here's the fridge. There's a few magnets on it. I like this one. And there's a lamp on top of it. So that's the kitchen. And then there's another mirror. Hey, again, there's a lot of mirrors in this place. I like it. And another chair. Then this is the main, like, living room area or salon, which is the French word for living room. It's pronounced a little differently, but then there's my grandparents' suitcases, a couch, a coffee table with some instruction books, remotes, coasters, and another couch. Then there's another little table. I'm moving back because my grandpa's wallet is on there. Yep. There's some more of their stuff. And then here is a large window. I was kind of expecting this place to have a balcony, like a big balcony, and they don't really have that. They just have this, but you know what? It is what it is. Then there's another window here, a lamp, and then a TV, another couch. Or did I show both of them? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not really feeling that good. And then heater, some more stuff. There's like a router. And then this is a fireplace. We've got some decorations, books, and more books. And there's a heater right here. we're gonna have to get used to using the metric system. We're not used to that. And then there's this thing. I don't know if that's a game or whatever, but I'll check it out later. And then this is the like dining area. There's my grandma's crossbody bag. There's the other side of the fireplace, a lamp, another heater, more shelves with magazines right there. File organizers, I don't know what those are for. And then pens. And then another suitcase and lamp. And this is the actual dining table and some more chairs. And this picture is really cool. I kind of have to talk quietly over here because my grandma is taking a nap. My grandpa went out to get a cell phone card, SIM card. This is a photograph of the Eiffel Tower when it was under construction. So that is super cool. I like that. There's another window. And then this is the, sorry, these floorboards are so creaky. This is the main bathroom. There's another full-length mirror, little cabinet. I haven't looked through this much myself. The lady that rented us this place, she stopped by to show us how it all worked and give us some tips about traveling. She talked a lot. She was here for a very long time, so, and I was just in my room unpacking. There's a sink, a little closet, another mirror, and a very, very, very nice shower. This is luxurious. I can't wait to try this out. And this is a closet. I don't know what's in here. I have no idea what's in here. I overheard the lady telling my grandparents that like we're not allowed to access this or something, and I don't know what she was referring to, but I guess it was this because it's padlocked. There's also a washer and dryer in here somewhere. I don't know exactly where they are. And this is my grandparents' room. I can't go in there because my grandma's taking a nap, but there is a magnificent view, so I'll show you that later and edit it in. And now I'm gonna show you my room. I am so sorry. These floorboards are so loud. So this is my room. There's 2 windows. Well, it's in a lot of light, which is cool. That one's blinded, but I don't care. There's my suitcase, the side table, the bed, a blanket. And over here is another night table with books. There's a closet. There's just clothes in there. There's nothing interesting in there. I don't need to show you. My backpack, which I brought on the airplane as a carry-on. My laptop, so that I can edit videos and read your guys' comments. And then another mirror. And then some stuff. That's my bathroom bag. Empty water bottle that I got at the airport when we arrived, and my bath sponge. None of that's interesting. Then there's a jean jacket so that I'll look like a local and not like an American tourist. No, I'm not trying to be offensive, but they say that you should dress like a local whenever possible so that you don't look like you're screaming your culture, because nobody likes Americans for a reason. And then here's my anti-theft bag that I'm going to use for going out, for protecting my phone and my LPS. Then there's another heater and some essential stuff. Sorry, my ID's on there, so I have to step back, but there's some charcoal pills in case me or my grandparents eat something that doesn't agree with us. Gonna be trying a lot of food here because, as you probably know, France is a food lover's paradise. There's a scarf also so I can blend in, my glasses, some notebooks for writing down important information, and another umbrella, because I didn't realize they'd be providing us with umbrellas, so I bought one and brought it with me. And then this is the most exciting part. This is where the LPS that I brought with me are. Here's the ones I'm using for photography, and these are the ones I'm using for videos. I'm going to be in a video, so I go here when I'm not being filmed. There's some extra tack and flowers, because you always need those. And then here's a few other things. There's a Starbucks Paris mug that I picked up at the airport Starbucks when we arrived. My phone's charger. Well, this is a charger to my other phone because I have a backup phone. My grandpa has it with me, but I have a backup phone that I'm filming the videos on, because I can't lose this one because of the hacking that happened last year. If I lose this phone, then I probably lose my Instagram account forever, and I can't have that because extra security is set up. But this is my main phone's charger. 2 other outlets, adapters, because the French power system is different than the American one. So this is so I can plug in my laptop and charge it. A charging brick, another charger, and shoes. I have one to wear all the time and one for a restaurant. So yeah, that is basically this Parisian apartment tour. I'm going to be having more videos out from this trip. I might record a few short videos and post them. But yeah, thanks for watching this very long video. I didn't actually intend for it to be that long, but I'm really excited to be here, and I hope you guys are looking forward to the videos that are going to come out on this channel. Okay, so it's a couple hours later. This is my grandma and grandpa's room. It's beautiful. I wish this was my room. And the view, I have to show you the view. This view is incredible. There's a book up here. I wonder what it's about. Anyways, we are getting ready to go out, so I'm just going to end this video, but I love you guys, and I'll be filming lots more on this trip. Bye! Or should I say au revoir? The French word for stay is rester, but I don't actually know the word for gold. So, au revoir, guys. Stay gold.